In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how you can sew your own pillowcase from scratch. This is the easiest pillowcase DIY you can find on the internet. Welcome to Salemfashion YouTube channel. Subscribe for more fashion tutorials, DIYs, and sewing projects. So to begin the tutorial, guys, this is the fabric I'm using for the pillowcase, and it is a cotton fabric, and as you can see, it is really very long. So I'll just walk you through the measurement right now. So I went ahead to fold it into two, just like you see here, and on fold, the measurement that I use is 33 inches. Okay, 33 inches was the measurement that I used, and the width of the fabric is 20 inches. Okay, so 20 inches for the width and 33 inches for the length. And so meaning that if I open it, we are going to be having 33 times 2, okay, and which will give us 66 inches. So the first thing I'll go ahead and do now is to hem the lower part. Okay, hem this part, and you can also go ahead and hem the upper part, but because mine has this selvage that is beautiful, I decided to ignore the upper part and I just went ahead to hem only the lower part. So I'll do this for both fabrics and I'll be back. So guys, after sewing it, this is what it is looking like, just like so. So like I said, if yours does not have the selvage at the other end, you need to hem both ends. Okay, but I went ahead to hem only one end because I had this design here to work with and I really love the design, so I ignored this part. So guys, that's what it is looking like. Now after doing that, now the next thing we're going to go ahead and do now is to go ahead and mark down 20 inches. Okay, you go ahead and mark down 20 inches from the top, just like so, just like you see me doing. You mark it all round like so, and then you go ahead and use your ruler to just draw a straight line across like so. Okay, so after doing that, now you're going to go ahead and fold this beginning part to lay on top, but alternatively you can just decide from the beginning, before marking, you just fold it down and then you ensure that the fold is 10 inches long. Okay, that is alternatively if you don't want to do the first process. After folding, ensure that you use your tape measure to ensure that it is 10 inches that you folded down. So now after doing that, you are going to grab the lower part and lay it on top. Lay it in such a way that it comes all the way to the upper part, just like you see here. After laying it on top, I'll go ahead now and pin it down on the 4 edges, just like you see. And that is basically it. So now we'll go ahead now and stitch it by 1/2 inch on both sides. Okay, so you just stitch 1/2 inch from the beginning to the end, you stitch 1/2 inch from the other end. Ensure that you reverse or you back stitch while stitching on the edges. Okay, so after that, guys, I went ahead to serge it or to weave it just to give it that neat finishing, and this is what it is looking like. And that is basically it for this tutorial, guys. Really simple, really easy to make, like I told you from the beginning. So now this is what the pillow is looking like. As you can see, it is looking neat and simple. So I'll go ahead and open it up to show you guys what it is looking like. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and tuck this part out neatly just to show you what it looks like. And so guys, this is what the pillow is looking like. Really, really simple and easy. So this is where the pillow is going to we're going to put the pillow through, just this part that is open. And the measurement that we took and the method we use, this is not going to let your pillow to fall out no matter what. It is going to secure your pillow until you want to remove it yourself. It is really simple and easy to make. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have watched this video till this end, kindly comment this emoji so I know my real fam. I will see you in the next one. Bye.